Imagine a storm so powerful, it paralyzed an entire region. Welcome to the Great Blizzard of 1888, which struck the northeastern United States from March 11th to March 14th. The blizzard unleashed winds exceeding 45 miles per hour and dumped snow up to 50 inches deep in some areas. New York City, already bustling with life, found itself buried under drifts that reached rooftops. The storm came without warning, catching citizens unprepared and disrupting daily life dramatically. Railroads were shut down, stranding thousands, while telegraph lines were severed, cutting off communication. Emergency services struggled to cope with the mounting crisis. Many lost their lives, with estimates of fatalities ranging from 400 to over 1,000. The blizzard led to significant changes in weather forecasting and emergency preparedness. It forced cities to improve infrastructure, including snow removal, and prompted the establishment of a more organized weather service. The lessons learned from this disaster influenced future responses to severe weather events. The Great Blizzard of 1888 remains a stark reminder of nature's power, shaping policies and practices for generations to come, leaving a lasting impact on how we prepare for storms today.